Hey guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm gonna make pizza. Here's the dough.
What'd you do first? Wash your hands, right?
Yeah. Put sauce on now. Mommy's gonna spread it. My mommy had to put more sauce on. Just have to leave the edges.
Yeah, leave room for crust.
There's a lot on here. So, I'm back. I touched it. Daddy's gonna spread it. Daddy spreaded it.
What's
Now,
next?
cheese!
How about some seasoning?
Yeah,
Let's get cheese next.
yeah, cheese next. And then put that on. Now put some cheese. Mommy, you can put them on too. Put more. Put it all around. Some fell off on the table. We have to color all. Put them in. Up. And back. Nope. Okay, I'm back. My mommy keeps pausing it.
Oh boy.
I'm just gonna pour it all. You can see my face, right? Okay, my mommy keeps pausing it.
Show them what that is. Say parsley.
Parsley. Just have to shake it on.
Say Italian seasoning.
Italian seasoning. Now we put it in the oven. I'm waiting for it. Guys, I'm waiting for it. So we're gonna put it in the oven now. So excited. I'm gonna try it. For now.